In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find pediatricians near me. If you're trying to find a pediatrician in the United States, a good place to start is by using trusted online resources. Common options include online doctor directories such as ZocDoc or HealthGrades, checking the provider network through your health insurance company, and using the pediatrician directory available on healthychildren.org from the American Academy of Pediatrics. These tools can help you compare providers and narrow down your options based on location and availability. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on the healthychildren.org website. Go to healthychildren.org and look for the pediatrician referral page. This resource is designed to help families search for pediatric care in a more reliable and organized way, especially if you want to look through pediatric professionals associated with the American Academy of Pediatrics. Once you're on the page, use the tool provided to search for an AAP member pediatrician, a pediatric subspecialist, or a pediatric surgical specialist. This is helpful because not every child needs the same type of care. If you're looking for routine checkups, a general pediatrician may be the right fit. If your child needs more focused care, the specialist search can be especially useful. After that, click the link or button that gives you access to the search tool. When you select it, a new tab will open. Give it a moment to load fully before continuing, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Waiting for the page to open completely will make the next part easier. Once the tool has loaded, you'll see a list of pediatricians appear. The results typically include useful details such as the doctor's city, state, and phone information, which makes it easier to identify nearby options and begin contacting offices. At this stage, take your time reviewing the list carefully so you can find providers that are conveniently located for you. As you go through the results, it's a good idea to compare what you find with your insurance network and any reviews or office details available through other trusted directories. That way you can make a more informed decision before scheduling an appointment. Using these resources together can save time and help you feel more confident in your search. Healthychildren.org is a strong starting point, and when combined with insurance information and online provider directories, it gives you a practical way to find pediatricians near you.